In the dynamic and ever-shifting universe of mobile gaming technology, innovation continues to push boundaries. As 2025 unfolds, whispers and unofficial disclosures have begun to sketch out an exciting new chapter in this domain. All eyes are turning toward what might be one of the most highly anticipated gaming hardware announcements in recent memory. A revolutionary update from one of the world's top tech players. The successor to a fan-favorite portable device is quietly gaining attention from gamers and tech analysts alike. Reports are hinting at major changes and promising advancements. This new iteration doesn't just tweak what came before. It seems poised to redefine how we think about handheld gaming altogether. From upgraded internals to a complete design overhaul, and even potential strategic alliances that could alter the market landscape, this is far more than just a sequel. Two models, one vision, tailored experiences for different gamers. At the heart of this buzz is the revelation that this next-gen device won't arrive in a single form. Instead, insiders suggest we'll see a dual-pronged release strategy. Two separate models will reportedly launch side by side, each crafted with a unique type of gamer in mind. Rather than mere aesthetic differences, these variants appear to be distinct in purpose and performance. One model continues the brand's signature clean white style, exuding a modern, minimalist flair. The second, however, boldly embraces a sleek, matte black finish. It's this darker version that has captured the most speculation and excitement, thanks to one particularly intriguing possibility, a rumored partnership with one of gaming's biggest names. Strategic synergy, the Xbox connection. If industry insiders are to be believed, this jet black edition might be the result of an alliance with none other than Microsoft. That's right, the device could come with deep-rooted integration into the Xbox ecosystem. Far beyond simple cosmetic branding, this variant is expected to sport a distinctive Xbox-branded button, suggesting it may act as a sort of handheld console extension of the Xbox universe. What does this mean for users? Imagine seamless access to Xbox Game Pass, complete with cloud streaming capabilities and possibly Xbox Live social functionality baked directly into the handheld experience. For those already immersed in the Xbox digital library, this could provide an entirely new way to stay connected with console-quality titles on the go. It's not a mere feature, it's an ecosystem. Ergonomic excellence, redefining comfort in handheld. Gaming comfort in handheld devices has always been a contentious point. Developers walk a fine line between size, weight, and usability. However, feedback from early adopters of the first-generation device appears to have significantly influenced the design philosophy of this follow-up. The updated chassis features pronounced controller-style grips on each flank, making it far more comfortable for long-duration sessions. These aren't just subtle design flourishes, they're purposeful structural evolutions aimed at reducing fatigue and enhancing immersion. Whether you're playing competitive online shooters or diving into story-rich adventures, better hand placement can make or break the experience. From preliminary renderings and insider feedback, this ergonomic upgrade comes at the cost of a slightly bulkier frame. However, for most serious gamers, that trade-off is more than acceptable. Extended comfort is critical, especially when playing demanding titles for hours at a time. Button layout. Familiar. Yet distinct in terms of control layout, continuity remains. Both models preserve the classic ABXY button configuration that has become an industry standard, ensuring minimal learning curve and maximum compatibility. Yet the visual presentation diverges depending on the edition. The darker model, with its Xbox integration, features the iconic color-coded ABXY buttons, green, red, yellow, and blue, offering a nostalgic nod to console fans. The white variant, meanwhile, opts for a more understated look, potentially appealing to purists or those preferring a PC-centric approach. Interestingly, a mysterious extra button is present on this neutral model. Its purpose remains speculative, with some sources suggesting it could be user-customizable, possibly linked to software shortcuts or custom macros, visuals and display, crisp, fluid, and immersive. Despite its evolution, the display retains a 7-inch diagonal, unchanged from its predecessor, but don't mistake consistency for stagnation. Internally, the screen technology has seen notable refinement. Users can expect an ultra-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, ideal for reducing input lag and delivering crystal-clear motion even during chaotic in-game moments. Although full resolution, details have not been officially confirmed. It's widely believed that enhancements in pixel density and brightness will place the device well above the original model. Gamers can expect vivid colors, sharp text, and immersive visuals, regardless of whether they're in a dim room or under bright daylight. For titles requiring rapid reflexes, think competitive shooters, fighting games, or high-speed racing, the increased refresh rate alone provides a significant edge. Meanwhile, narrative-driven titles will benefit from the overall visual fidelity, drawing players deeper into their respective worlds. Performance specs. A tale of two powerhouses. Here's where the models really begin to differentiate themselves. Under the hood. The high-performance Black Edition is reported to run on AMD's Ryzen Z2 Extreme, an 8-core behemoth optimized for mobile computing and portable gaming. Paired with a whopping 64 GB of LPDDR5X RAM running at an impressive 8533 MHz, this combination is built to crush current-gen gaming workloads with ease. Whether multitasking between downloads, game streaming, or playing the latest AAA titles at high settings, this setup is more than up to the task. It's not just a handheld device, it's practically a gaming laptop in a smaller shell. The White Edition, meanwhile, offers a more budget-conscious alternative. It may be powered by AMD's more modest Earth Plus processor, a quad-core chip, that balances efficiency with respectable performance. Though it won't match its sibling's sheer computing muscle, it's still expected to deliver smooth gameplay for mainstream titles and emulation, potentially at a far more affordable price point. RAM capacity here is still speculative, but 16 GB to 32 GB seems likely, more than enough for most tasks, even if not ideal for heavier multitasking. Anticipated launch and market strategy, though, official word on the release date remains elusive. Certification filings and developer conference schedules suggest the device's debut is imminent. Analysts point to upcoming tech events as the perfect venue for a full unveiling, with speculation centering around a late summer release window. This dual-model strategy represents a clever move. It allows the manufacturer to appeal to both console-centric gamers, those loyal to Xbox and Game Pass, and the open-platform PC gaming crowd. Each model brings something unique to the table, yet both serve a shared goal, delivering a versatile, high-powered portable gaming experience. Competing in a crowded space, portable gaming has become one of the most hotly contested segments in recent years. The success of devices like the Steam Deck and Nintendo Switch demonstrates a strong appetite for mobility without compromise. But those devices each come with trade-offs, whether in power, ecosystem limitations, or form factor. This new device seeks to carve out its own niche by offering superior performance potential, tighter integration with the Xbox ecosystem, optional PC-style openness, thoughtfully engineered comfort, and state-of-the-art display technology. In short, it's not trying to merely compete, it's aiming to dominate. Broader implications. For the industry, the implications of a handheld console so closely tied to the Xbox platform are enormous. Microsoft, though not directly producing the hardware, stands to benefit from increased Game Pass adoption and broader user engagement. It could be the beginning of a new phase where the line between console and PC gaming continues to blur, driven by cloud services and cross-platform accessibility. Furthermore, if this partnership proves successful, it could pave the way for similar collaborations in the future, perhaps with other hardware manufacturers or even competing services. For players, it means more choice, more flexible